Hi, it's Jo from E&S Computers, and we have an Epson EcoTank ET7750, and the maintenance box needs to be replaced. So Eddie is going to do that now. So here is the maintenance box, and these ones have a chip, so it registers within the software on the printer. Now this is where you need to remove just powering down. I'm going to unplug the cable so that's not in the way either. So we're just unscrewing and simply pulling out the old box and putting in eventually the new one. There we go. So that's in, and that will go on, and we'll screw it up, and then we'll go back round to the front when we powered it on and show you where you can see the level of the maintenance box. There we go, we've just powered it on and it's not come up about the maintenance box at all. So what we're going to do is we're going to go across to maintenance, and we're going to go down to maintenance box service life, press OK, and as you can see, that there is showing, quickly flashes off, that is the new maintenance box. So we can go ahead now and we can do a head clean, which is what this initially came in for, and we can get it back out to the customer. Thanks for watching, and if you need maintenance box for your printer, then get in touch with us. Details are on the bottom of the video.